Hey everybody, in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to use the Around Me feature in the map activity on your Garmin Forerunner 955 watch. Now I'm using the solar version, shouldn't matter whether you've got the solar or non-solar version, they both have this feature available. The other thing I'll mention is I'm going to be using touchscreen. You don't have to use touchscreen on the watch, you can totally use the buttons if you're not a touchscreen person, or you can choose to use touchscreen if you want. So I'm going to start by pressing the upper right button. One of the activities that I've got saved in here, or applications I should say, is the map application. I'm going to choose the map, and basically what it's going to do is it's going to pull up my GPS location and it's going to give me a view of the map. Now at this point I can press and hold the middle button on the left hand side, which is the menu button. I can choose to pan and zoom if I want to move around the map. Again, I'm using touchscreen functionality. If I wasn't using touchscreen, I can use the up or down button. This is one of the things I actually recommend using touchscreen on because it's a whole lot easier to navigate the map with the touchscreen versus using the buttons. With the buttons you have to adjust your pan and zoom. Basically, do you want to move up or down on the map, left or right, so on and so forth. But in this video, once you've got your map location defined, you can arrow down to Around Me. Press the upper right button to choose Around Me, and basically what it's going to do is it's going to pull up your location on the map and it's going to show you some different icons of things that are around you. Now you can use the up or down button and you can basically change the view that you're looking at. So now I'm looking over this way, I can press down and look this direction, so on and so forth. Go any direction you want, press the upper right button to select it, and it's basically going to show you what is around you. So you can see there's a Premier baseball 1.52 miles to the south of me, there's a t-ball field, so on and so forth. If I wanted to press the back button, I could change the direction, so maybe I want to look somewhere else. We can see there's a deer frolic 2.92 miles away, again toilets, so on and so forth. Let's find something good on here. I'm going to go to, there's a chevron 2.5 miles away. When you find the location that you're interested in, you can simply click on the top right button and you can choose Go, and it will begin navigating to that point of interest. You could also look at it on the map, or you could save the location. So maybe you're not interested in navigating to it, but you want to save it for future reference. You would be able to do that. In this example, we want to go to the chevron. I'm going to click on Go, and it'll basically begin navigating to that chevron station. Now I'm in my navigator. It's basically going to give me step-by-step directions on how to get to that. I can look at the map and watch my progression on the map. I can see my estimated time, distance, so on and so forth. In these fields, you can customize just like any other app or activity to show whatever you want to. Once you're done with the navigation, you can simply click the back button. This is a little bit different than doing the actual navigation. Navigation is going to put you in an activity where if you press back, it'll keep running in the background. In this example, when we're using the map activity, when I press back, that will end the activity. So if I go back to my main watch face, press the upper right button, when I go back into the map, it's going to start me all over completely. It ends it for you, so you don't have to worry about stopping the activity. Again, all you're going to do is go into the map, press and hold the middle button on the left hand side, choose Around Me, choose the direction you want to look, and you can scroll through, see what's around you, and then navigate to that location if you want to. Pretty simple stuff. At least it gives you an idea of how the Around Me feature works on your Garmin Forerunner 955 watch. I hope the video helps.